Hi, my name is John Delgado, Andis Global Educator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a classic business cut step by step. If your level of cutting with clippers is fundamental, then this is the video for you to get started and learn to cut with confidence. Let's create together. Step 1. Establish the length of hair at the front of the forehead. While your model's hair is damp, establish the length at the front of the forehead by taking a small section combed forward and cutting it to the desired length with your scissor. That will be your first guide. Now that you've completed step 1, let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Establish your second guide. Starting from the front of the forehead, using the first guide, cut towards the back of the head. This will be your second guide. Step 3. Cut the top section of the haircut. Go back to the front of the forehead and begin taking small sections about an inch wide and cut to the length that was established by your previous guides. You will work down the middle of this top section and travel from front to back and stop when you reach the whorl. Repeat this step on both the right and the left of that middle section to complete the cut on the top of the head. Step 4. Cut the bottom section of the haircut. Use an attachment comb that is closest to the length of the top section on your clipper and cut from bottom up towards the round of the head. Make sure to flare your clipper out at about 45 degrees when reaching the round part of the head to make sure you don't cut into that top section. Step 4 is complete. Step 5. Blend lengths of haircut. Use the attachment comb that is one length shorter than the previous attachment used and cut about a ½ inch below the previous section. Repeat these steps until you achieve the lowest length desired. Step 5 is complete. Step 6. Sideburns. Establish the length of the sideburn by pressing your trimmer down flat against your model's skin. Then, using just a corner of the blade, work up and around the ear and towards the bottom of the neck. Complete the sideburn by arching from the bottom of the sideburn up towards the temple peak. Repeat these steps on the opposite sideburn. Step 6 is complete. Step 7. Nape lineup. Beginning at the middle of the nape, create a guideline by pressing your trimmer down flat against your client's skin. Now, connect the bottom of the nape with the sides of the neck from the previous steps. If a rounded lineup is desired, simply round the corners. Step 7 is complete. Step 8. Finishing. Use your next-gen foil shaver to remove any stubble from the nape and the cheeks. Step 8 is complete. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can create the classic business cut. If you don't already have the Andis clippers, trimmers, and shavers that we use in this video, feel free and head over to andis.com or your favorite retailer to get yours. With Andis, we make it easy for you to take your DIY skills to the next level. Thanks for joining us.